Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Hope You Are Really Happy, chapter 4. So here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, Yushao, she was really excited and entered on Suchang car. Yushao said, "No, I mean, did you spray perfume? It really smells good." Well, looking at her, she seems to be always happy. But for Suchang, she got really serious and said to her, Suchang, she was really serious about driving. She was focusing on the road. But it was Yushao who keeps speaking all the time. I also criticize it but generally don't like to talk about this topic with others. I was afraid that people would ask me what kind of perfume it was. I couldn't speak French or English well. Well, definitely, she was really bubbly. Reasons I say this because we are in the car. I couldn't find a topic to talk about. It was really awkward. Yushao said to her, "Now, it really makes sense." It was Shushang. She was really laughing out hard. Probably she's seeing Yushao a funny person. That's why she really liked her on the first meet. Especially this happened. Suchang said, "Sorry, I seldom make appointments to go to the movies with the people." Oh, it turns out, right now, they really want to talk about each other. It's okay, let's just chat. Yushao, hey, how old are you? She was asking Suchang. Suchang said to her, she was 25 years old. Oh, definitely, not in the same age. Wow, Yushao said. Did you not like it? Suchang is asking her. Well, as we can see, Yushao, she was really younger than her. But right now, this girl, she was really curious. "I want to praise you for being young and promising. I found out that I don't know where you are." It turns out she was really good at coaxing people, also praising them. Yushao, she must be good, right? I work behind the scenes. Suchang said to her. Now, Shuchang, she was smiling while talking to her. Probably the two of them are getting closer to each other, especially right now. Behind the scenes performance. Oh, it means that she's the leader of some teams, stage play, or something else. For now, only Suchang knows about it. Suchang doesn't look like maybe it is not kind of behind the scenes performance. Are you a local? Suchang is asking her. But this girl, she really always got serious. Problems during the days I stayed in the hospital. Why did you ask me? Suddenly, right now, Yushao, she suddenly got interested to know about her so much. Well, it really makes sense. That time, I didn't want to be friends with you, so I don't have any desire to understand you. I thought that time that as long as we are both alive. Oh, that was really tough. It turns out she was not good sometimes, but it doesn't matter anymore. Suchang, at this moment, she was really laughing out hard. Of course, she really find funny. This girl, she was really talking too much. Really, you don't watch TV series? I was particularly afraid of meeting fellow patients in the ward and getting along well with him. And then I found out that the other person's condition is very serious. You are the first person I know who talks a lot, Suchang said to her. But it sounds like a comfortable person. Well, definitely, she got really fond of her. That's why the two of them are going to the movies. That's why she got really interested towards her. Are your friends annoying? No, it doesn't matter. Let's go. The movie's going to start. Well, definitely. The relationship of the two of them is getting better. Especially their friendship is being built by now. But when they came in the cinema, the two of them were seriously watching the movie. The cinema it's not yet full. Probably, right now from time to time, Michelle, she was speaking of Suchang. She wanted to see what's her reactions. Suddenly, Suchang, she really got focused on watching movies. Suchang didn't say anything. They didn't cry or laugh together. That is the meaning of the cinema. Oh, this girl, she was really funny, right? You already see a lot of things, especially the comments. Right now, gently sweep across. Two of them are suddenly taking off the popcorn at the same time. It makes sense. Hands both sweep each other. Well, definitely. Turns out that a perfect person looks good no matter where she is. This feeling right now, Yushao. She got really confused, right? She always like to ask so many questions. This feeling is really something. Suddenly she stand up and said to her, I'll take a moment. She was holding her nose, probably what's happening to her. She really eats something, or something happenings to her. Right now, Suchang, she got really worried about her, asking her what's wrong. But Yushao said I have a nosebleed. Well, definitely it's not good. You should really need to take care of it. She stood up and Suchang wants to follow her and said, I'll go with you. Of course, she got really worried. This thing is really serious matter and they really can fun about it. Well, definitely getting better to each other. But for Yushao right now, she really feels embarrassed. What are you looking for? Suchang said to her. She was still looking at Suchang. By Suchang, she got really worried about her. But it seems not. Well, definitely. She want to make an alibi, but it really doesn't matter. Suchang, she's always been theirs. Also, she always got serious. Isn't it your vag? Suchang is asking her. Ah, yes, yes. Finally, the two of them are going out. Well, definitely. She need to take a lot of rest to be able to recuperate her body. But don't move, I'll get it for you. Suchang, she really got worried. That's why she really want to help her. But it was Shushao. It seems that she was really also vulnerable person. Well, suddenly, she remembers something. Looking at her face, she seems to be puzzled. Well, let's see on what will happen. But right now, it was Shuchang. She moved closer to her and trying to help her. The sudden bump got into. Well, it was always unavoidable. We should really take care of each other. Let's see. At this moment, the two of them are really shy to each other. Especially, it was Shushao. He really feels embarrassed towards Suchang. And it really makes sense. At least Suchang is really wanting to help her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.